School can and should be a place where we're preparing learners with the knowledge and skills needed for a future we can't predict. As educators and schools, it can sometimes be difficult knowing how best to do that. We at ESSDACK want to change that. So ExperienceEDU 2019 is not your ordinary ed conference. The ExperienceEDU conference is an intentionally designed learning event that takes what you know about professional learning and elevates the experience beyond the typical education conference. At ExperienceEDU, we are hyper-focused on our participants experiencing, learning, and taking action in order to build the best schools possible for each learner back home. So it's not a sit-and-get meeting. Instead, you'll experience learning as a student. You'll share time and space with experts for crystal clear, practical, and hands-on strategy sessions. Then together with other educators, you'll have the time and support to begin designing the exciting classrooms and engaging experiences that will be the difference maker for your learners. The ExperienceEDU conference is a personalized learning experience, unlike any conference you've ever attended. Join us and get involved.